Look at that. We're in a blizzard today, folks. Stews are in a blizzard. In a snow blizzard. Oh. Took my gloves off to take a photograph and now I've dropped my glove in the snow. It's going to be freezing now. Now there was a flood along here, as you may have seen on one of my older videos, well, more recent videos. I'm not sure if that'll have been absorbed by the snow, so the only way to find out is to go and have a look. Oh, this is mad. Oh dear. This is a bit nuts, actually. Feels nuts. Oh. No, I'm not sure about this bit coming up. I'm really not. Oh no, no! Oh dear. That's a flood. Ugh. Oh. Now, Stoozer, your name may be Big Stoozer. That doesn't look good. Might try and go round it, but I don't want to get wet feet on a day like this. Definitely not. Now that truly is nuts today. The water level has lowered somewhat, but I'm not going in there because I still can't see the grass above that water, which means I'm going to get wet feet in really Baltic conditions. So it's not happening today, folks, not happening. See if I can find a way around. That's better. No. I'm not sure if I can get around here or not. That's how deep it is. How deep is that bugger? How deep is that looking Stoozer? No, that looks fine. Come on. Let's go for it. Oh no. Oh, fuck. Excuse my French, my boots are wet. That wasn't clever. This is all mad. Somebody's been walking through here though. Well, here I am, folks. Big Stu's out in a blizzard. It is. It's a proper blizzard. I'm sheltered in the woods though. When I'm outside the woods, the wind is strong and the snow's right in your face. But this is just, I don't know how to describe it, really. It's nuts. Crazy stuff. Absolutely loving it. I'm out on my e-bike today. I couldn't do it on my normal Marin, impossible. You need that bit of assistance to push you through the thick white snow, and it's fun, but it's bloody freezing. So I'm gonna belt on, do a wee loop and get back home. For now, just for now, cheery bye. Oh. Whew. So that's my chain fucked again, is it? I don't fucking get this. The snow's getting caught up in the chain, I'm afraid. I have to keep it in one gear. Ooh. Look at this thing. What's happening now? I think it's that chain guard that's getting jammed in the snow. It is. I'm going to have to take it off with an Allen key, I think. Ooh, that's a hell of a I've been on a sledge. Well, the snow's coming down really heavy now, pelting down, but again I've got the canopy of the trees to protect me to some extent. I imagine it's a proper blizzard out there now. I can see the wind as I look outside the forest, but it has died down a wee bit. But this is not to be repeated too often, because I'm probably the coldest I've been all year actually. This is very cold. So I'm going to crack on. Cheery bye.
Kick for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Kick for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I'm on my job, I get it done, but you should know that. Shine like a sun, a 101, you should know that. I get the front and in the back, you should know that. No need to stun, it's never cap, you should know that. All I know, 10 toes, never fold, bang roll, on the go, ice hold, ice hold, ice hold. Kick for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. Kick for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. I miss my baby, so I hit them on the FaceTime. I need it all for them, so no, I cannot waste time. Facing these oceans, feel the water on my waistline. We trust the process and I only know it takes time. You can get it, got no worries, I'm gon' make mine. Going global, I'ma get it out the state lines. Paying taxes at a more than what you make now. Different bracket, eating off a different plate now. For my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in. And for my wins, I need my ends. This life is real, and play pretend. Aim off the bench, I get it in, I get it in, I get it in.
Nearly. Need to lower the saddle. Okay then. So it's not recorder. Oh, what the hell? Monsters, he can do this. Single track has nearly disappeared. It's still there. You can still just see it, I think. Snow's playing havoc with my chain, folks. Excellent. Ooh. Nice. Just see it. Oh, it's going to disappear overnight, I think. Oh. GoPro, stop recording. Well, the last time that I ventured out into blizzard conditions was in February 2014 in the Scottish borders. That was 7 years ago. I'm clearly a sandwich short of a picnic. And here's the video clips to demonstrate that.